Okay, here's the thing with dinner rolls. They're just wildly underrated. Most people see them as a simple side dish, but with some creativity, they can be the star of the meal. If you're not doing this, you're missing out. First up, ever tried making sliders with leftover dinner rolls? Absolute game changer. Grab some ground beef, turkey, or black bean patties and stack them with your favorite cheese, pickles, and sauces. Perfect bite-sized sliders in no time. Speaking of leftovers, roll-based breakfast sandwiches are chef's kiss. Cut those rolls in half, stuff them with scrambled eggs, bacon, and maybe a slice of avocado. Pop them in the oven for 5 minutes to get everything warm and gooey. Here's a pro tip. Hollow out a roll and crack an egg right into it. Add shredded cheese, diced veggies, and bake for about 15 minutes. You've got yourself a breakfast in a roll situation. Looks fancy, tastes better. Now, dinner rolls as bread pudding? Hear me out. Tear them up, mix them with a custard of eggs, milk, vanilla, and sugar, and bake. It's like a dessert no one predicted but everyone appreciates. Bonus points if you add chocolate chips. Pain point: stale rolls. Don't throw them away. Repurpose them. Cube them, toss with olive oil, garlic powder, and dried herbs, then bake for croutons. Homemade croutons just hit different on a Caesar salad or soup. Another move? Mini pizza rolls. Slice them in half, layer on pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella, and pepperoni. Bake until bubbly. It's like the world's cutest personal pizza. Kids go crazy for this, by the way. Dinner rolls can also be the MVP of holiday leftovers. Turkey, cranberry sauce, a little stuffing, and a smear of gravy. Stack it all inside. It's like Thanksgiving between two halves of fluffy bread. Highly recommend. Ever tried garlic bombs? Slice rolls almost all the way through, slather them with a garlic butter and parsley mix, and bake. They're like pull-apart garlic bread but with rolls. Make extra. Trust me, they vanish fast. Now let's talk dipping rolls into soups like tomato bisque or creamy broccoli cheddar. You'd think this is obvious, but most people still grab crackers. Warm rolls and soup are next-level comforting, easy and ridiculously delicious. If you want to be fancy, try stuffing the rolls with brie and apricot jam. Bake them until the cheese melts. That mix of sweet and savory? People will think it's gourmet when it's actually just you being clever with 3 ingredients. Lastly, rolls as dessert again. Spread Nutella inside, add sliced bananas, and grill on a skillet with butter. You'll never look at dessert and dinner rolls the same way again. Simple, fast, and embarrassingly good.